everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Vindeshwar and today we are diving into classical or mathematical probability with practical examples. This lecture is part of our data science and AI series where we make complex concepts simple and relatable. So let's see that. And in this presentation, we will cover the definition and basic concepts of probability, examples of classical probability problems, application of probability rules such as complements and odds, step-by-step solutions to real-world probability problems. So basically probability is the study of uncertainty. It provides tools to measure the likelihood of events. Let us see some key historical contributions. Galileo, who analyzed dice probabilities, Pascal and Fermat created the mathematical theory of probability. Application of probability include games of chance, decision making and statistical inference. So definition of classical probability is that PA where A is an event. So probability of an event A, number of favorable cases upon number of exhaustive cases, means total cases, where PA lies between 0 to 1. And complement rule, that means probability of A and if you add probability of its complement, that is always 1. For example, tossing a coin. So if you toss a coin, so there are two chances whether it will come up head or tail. So probability of getting head is 0.5. If you are rolling a die, so getting even number, that is 3 upon 6 because 2, 4 and 6 that are favorable cases. Now let us see one problem. Find the probability of getting at least one head when two coins are tossed. So see the sample space. So if you are tossing two coins, so there are four possibilities and that is a sample space. Whether two heads, one head, another tail, one tail, another head, or two tails. So at least one head means there are three favorable cases, HH, HT and TH. So probability would be 3 upon 4. Now find the probability of rolling a prime number. See that here. So 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So again 3 upon 6 because there are three favorable cases and total or exhaustive cases are 6. So 1 upon 2. Find the probability of rolling a number greater than 4. So greater than 4 there are two favorable cases 5 and 6. So 2 upon 6, that would be 1 upon 3. Drawing a card. So find the probability of drawing a card from a standard deck of 52 cards. So there are total card 52 and red cards 26. So what will happen? So getting a red card, that would be 26 upon 52 and that is half. Let us see another problem. Find the probability of drawing a face card. Face card means it may be jack, queen, king. So there are 12. So probability of getting a face card is 12 upon 52, and that is 3 upon 13. Another, see that, find the probability of getting a sum greater than 8 when two dice are thrown. So let us see total outcome 36, because 6 into 6, so 36, and these are favorable cases. If you add 3 and 6, so 9, 4 and 5, that is 9, greater than 8. So we have these favorable cases. So there are 10 favorable cases. So 10 upon 36, and that would be 5 upon 18. Find the probability of getting a doublet. So doublet means same number on both dice. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, this way. So there are 6 favorable cases. So 6 upon 36. So that is 1 upon 6. Odds and probability. The odds in favor of an event A are 4:3. Find PA. So you see that, very simple. Odds in favor of A upon total odds. So odds in favor of A is 4, and total odds, so you will add 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. Now let us summarize. So classical probability of an event A, that is equal to favorable cases upon exhaustive cases. Complementary rule, probability of event A plus probability of its complements, that would be equal to 1. Odds measure favorable ratios. Now if you require more resources like videos, animations, PDF and quizzes, you can visit website PostNetwork Academy, that is postnetwork.co. You can visit YouTube channel for a more playlist, Facebook page for a post and videos, and LinkedIn page. You can connect with LinkedIn page. So hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.